Hello there, welcome to another episode. I am by Princess Auto in Sarnia, and on this episode I'm gonna try to make something up so I can store a spare tire underneath my box right here. And as well, this is my last week here in Sarnia. I'm gonna leave Sarnia for a while, taking new job opportunity. It's Tuesday now, and I need to figure out some stuff. I have tried so many times how to put this thing and tried to thought about how and what. If this doesn't work, I'm giving up on this. And this tire, pretty heavy. It will work. Oh yes. Do you see the picture now? Alrighty, and this is the end result. It's not going literally nowhere. It's stuck to it. That was real good. Whew. Shower done. I went to Walmart and bought some boxes for my all tools. I know things, what's in the boxes. Looks nice and organized. Much better. It's another day and I just woke up. I had a long nap after work and it's 8 o'clock now. Yeah. I have a little plan in my mind end of the summer. I would like to go down to Mexico. There's a really good sailing school. It's like 1 week you live on a 45 feet sailing boat and you are just learning everything and all the theory and all the sailing and all the safety and everything. And then if you pass the course, you get as well the papers and certificate, and then you can have cheaper insurance for your boat as well. And maybe I have a little thought on that too. Who knows? I'll see. This is it. I'm leaving. This is my last shift here in Sarnia. It's been 3 years and 8 months here in Sarnia, and it's time to get out of here. Oh. I am so stoked. That's it. I'm literally jumping in. Gonna change my shoes. And I'm just driving out of here. Gonna go somewhere to Hamilton. I don't even know where I need to go, but I know I will find a way. That's it. Oh, I can't believe. There we go. This is so cool. No more refineries. Hello. Hi, baby. What's up, Brett? This is so cool.
Yeah!
Hi, Alice.
Literally just finished up. Alice just came down.
That
So you,
is so cool.
you missed us on the, or you missed Chris was up there, but
This is
yeah!
great. Cool helmet.
I know. You gonna match me?
This is so cool.
I'm gonna let the dogs out. They're gonna be super excited to see you. They both stink because they found a dead animal.
Oh. That's Alice. That's
Yep.
Chris.
Woo!
Well, my first Sunday in Dunville, Ontario. Pretty nice spot. It's by the bridge. Yeah, I'm just getting used to the city. I was really excited just to see Brett, Alice, and as well Christopher. It was nice to meet everyone. And last night I hang out with Brett and Alice in a campground where they stay. There's a real deal there.
Yeah, looks like a man that knows his way around the barbecue.
Hey, Alice. Where's your beer?
That's a real lesbian in the wild there. That's right. I don't know if that's the face to put.
And I stayed night there as well in my van. They had a little spot for me there too. And yeah, they went back to work today and I was just cruising around and exploring new places, and this is the spot I found in the morning, and I'm in a new location, new everything. I'm excited to work here. I'm excited to film and make pictures and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you on the next one. See ya. Bye bye.